Hi, my name is James Pratt. I also go by JP here in the service department. Today we're going to show you how to jumpstart your 2021 Ford Expedition. Come on over here. First thing we need to do is get this hood pop for you. Open the door. Right inside on the lower left side is a release lever. Pull the lever. I'm going to walk around over here and get this hood popped up for us. There's shocks on the hood, so you don't have to worry about any hood props or anything. First thing we do is find our battery. Remove the red cover so you can have access to the positive battery terminal. Hook your two terminals together on the ends you were not using yet. Your two cables. Yellow is going to be positive, black is going to be negative. Normally your positive is red. So we're going to get these hooked up on here. We can just hook it right there on top there. Oops. Slipped off there. Put that right there on top there. Right there on top there. Yep. Okay, it's on. So we're good to go. Make it a little bit easier. Then you can hook these up to your vehicle. Remember, red or yellow goes to positive, black goes to negative. Just hook that right back there for you. Thank you for watching this video. Hopefully it was informative. If you have any other questions, you can check out our YouTube channel or contact our service department. Again, my name is James Pratt, and thank you very much for watching.